What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If it is the first time you're touching down on this channel, welcome to Small Feet Big Heat. We talk sneakers, we talk streetwear, and everything in between. Today's video is a little bit overdue, just a little bit. Today I'm going to be showing y'all my last Hat Club pickups for 2021. So these are the last two hats that I picked up from Hat Club. I have 2 boxes and 2 little packages from Hat Club. So we're going to get into all of that right now. We are going to start with the boxes. Let's start with the boxes because I don't really remember what's in these packages and I don't want to give nothing away. So we're going to start with this one. We're jumping right into it. I don't want to waste no time. Down below in the comment section, y'all let me know what y'all last Hat Club pickups were. You know, did you pick something up from Badlands? Was it, some of y'all, it might have been, you know, the candy pack, because a lot of y'all was saying that was the best pack this year. So was it the candy pack? Was it a while ago? Did you pick up something recent? Let me know down below in the comment section what y'all have been picking up. This is a nice one right here. This is a nice one. Let me make sure I get the pin so y'all can see that. I'm just gonna toss that to the side. Y'all can probably already see it a little bit. This is the Badlands Mets. One of the best hats out of the collection in my opinion. The side patch goes crazy on this one. And I love that color combination. Y'all already know. It's kind of like the opposite of the Daybreakers in my opinion. Orange and yellow Mets front logo. But like I said, the action is in the side patch. So take a look at that. It's a good size side patch. You see the Mets. It's really nice. There goes the Batterman. Got the burgundy in there, orange, yellow, all the colors. Orange UV. These could have actually been green UVs and I think they would have still hit hard, but orange UV, black guts. Really nice hat, y'all. Really nice hat. What did you pick up from the Badlands? Let me know down below in the comment section. And let's go ahead and see what pin I got. I know they were randomly packing them out, so what is that? Let's see. It's a skull riding a horse. Okay, that's nice. It looks like it's hard enamel. I like that. That's fire. We're gonna go ahead and put it on the hat for the one time so y'all can see what it looks like. That's dope. Hopefully y'all can see it. If not, I'll make sure to get some B-roll, but it's a skull riding a horse. Everybody rocks their pins in different places. For this one, I kind of like it over the New Era flag. That's a nice pin. Hat Club has been stepping it up with their pins lately for sure. They've been doing like this randomized, you know, you get a random pin with your order. And I like that. It's something different. I'm really looking forward to seeing what Hat Club does in 2022. I feel like 2021 was crazy. There was so many good releases, but 2022, I'm expecting some heat. So I want to see new colorways. I'm really looking forward to seeing what they're cooking up over there. So yeah, if you aren't already on the Hat Club wave, down below in the description will be my Hat Club affiliate link. Just go ahead and check it out. So since that was the Badlands, I kind of remember what this one is. Because it was only 2 hats, so now I know which one is which. And this one was a clean one. Yeah. Take out the pin. Don't want to look at that just yet. Okay. Oh, there's a little card in there. Good things come to those who wait. Thank you for your purchase. Due to unexpected delays, you're fitted. Oh, okay. It's just letting me know that the pin was gonna come a little bit later. So here it is. Here's the hat. This is from the Fitted Female Direction Collection Part 3. I believe this hat was made by Chris. I'm pretty sure her name is Chris. So very clean hat. Yankees two-tone, navy on the upper. It's like a khaki for the brim. Pink UV, super, super nice. She really did her thing with the colorway on this one. Batterman on the back. Let me let it focus, give it a second to focus. You got the pink in there, white, and more of that like khaki, bronze color in there. Side patch is clean. It's a very nice hat. I feel like people slept on this one. You know, people were saying that the Yankees wasn't the best out of the pack. The Yankees was the best out of the pack for me. Buy what you like every time. Buy what you like because it won't steer you wrong. If you're buying for the hype, that's when you fall into those traps. 7 1/8, of course, for the personal. 7 1/8 on the inside. You gotta check. Yeah, very clean. Happy that I scooped it up. Okay, got the one with the face. Honestly, the pins is what made me grab the hat. I was thinking about passing on this collection, but I thought the pins were really, really nice and I wanted them. So my final choice in picking up a hat was because of the pins. Pins were super nice. So here's this one right there. They were a little expensive, like $20. Now we're gonna get into the Hat Club packages that I got. And this one, this is the Hat Club Insider pin. Oh, that's nice. What's this? The context of this package is for a special group of passionate individuals who share a dedication and respect for the hat game. Worn with pride. That's nice. That's very cool. I appreciate that. Shout out to Hat Club. Okay. And then inside here is the extra fitted female pin that I ordered. Yeah, these pins were really, really fire. Like, super nice. The details is what makes it, you know? Now we're gonna open up this one. Let's see what we got. Bam, that's the fitted female pin that comes with the hat, which was delayed. Very, very nice. I'm glad that I picked up the pins that I got. I think I'm missing one. I might be missing one, I'm not sure. Might have to check the website and scoop that last one up if I am missing one, but super clean, super nice. If y'all are sleeping on the fitted female direction collections, don't do that. Some good hats, some good pins. Hat Club Insider pin one more time. There it goes. Yeah, these are clean. 2 very nice pickups. All right, that's a nice way to end 2021. A great way to enter 2022. Like I said, in 2022, I do want to get my greens and my grays up. So I'm not sure how many color brims I'll be copping this year, but I'm gonna cop some fire. Y'all already know that. So definitely gonna be picking up some heat, whether it's green, gray, orange, whatever, pinkies, ices, it don't matter. And I do have a special announcement coming very soon, so keep an eye out for that. I've been working on something and I think y'all are gonna really enjoy it, so that's coming soon. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, show us more YouTubers some love, and I'll check y'all out in the next one.